Now it's our turn. Now it's our time. Now it's your time. In the ITF with the Maritime Roundtable, we are absolutely determined to create a leadership to the future, to be able to give you the opportunity to steer your ship, to do the heavy lifts in your crane.
I have to say that we're living in extraordinary times. We're here today, all these different nationalities, in a country that has experienced such a tragedy, and we're here because we believe. We believe in people. We believe in the humane side, and we won't let hate or differences divide us as workers.
On behalf of National Union of Seafarers Sri Lanka and the ITF, I wish to warmly welcome all of you to the Maritime Roundtable Conference.
We are the agents and the managers of our own destiny. We are talking against greed. We are talking against tax avoidance. We are talking against the manipulation of the job. We are talking against contracting out as a shortcut to decent employer-employee relationships. We're talking about seafarers and dockers in one of the most dangerous jobs and one of the most exploited jobs in the world.